Machita namaRhuluman. Orlando Pirates isothusile ngomvulo ezinsukwini ekseni ngabethi no12 izolo. Ithetha ngefuture kacoach Jose Riverio. Apha kule video ndizothetha ngefacts, sawujonga ifacts zale situation, lesi story sigrot kangaka. Orlando Pirates bayitheni kula video. Orlando Pirates yayitheni ngoRiverio ngoOctober. uRiverio ebetheni ngefuture yakhe ngoJanuary. Ithini contract situation kaRiverio and ngubani ongareplace uRiverio. And then in conclusion egqibeleni ndithini mna ndizochaza uba ndithini mna, and then isenani lichaze ke ngoba bafethu uba nithini nangale situation nesi story sigrot kangaka sika Jose Riverio. Ngalibala support i-channel bafethu before singene kule video. Nje nishaya ulike bafethu, ngicela marana ngo-KFC. Shaya ulike kwanye if eqala udibana ne-channel ungalahli ungaphosozi wezi grand ucofa subscribe apha ezantsi. Sijongapi Orlando Pirates release video and se le video you scraker le release izolo sascraker namhlanje video but say Pirates njalo nje and ni publish ni posta le way ngelihlobo njalo nje mungathethi kakhulu bafethu. If kama uyibona le video ngazithola nansi jonge apha.
Whether the coach will leave at the end of the season or he's staying, it's anybody's guess currently.
It won't sit well with many of us for him to leave, and it will unsettle a lot of things. I hope he doesn't leave.
Working in football is like checking in the hotel. Others stay for 1 day, others stay for 2 days, others stay for a month. But at the end, we all check out.
So yeah, nazo Orlando Pirates ithethe londo. Coach uMandla Ncikazi, assistant coach plus no captain uRayide nguThapelo Gqoki. Orlando Pirates ibitheni ngefuture kaRiverio. Phofu engathethi ngefuture yakhe apha, ithetha ngesituation yakhe, ngepersonal situation kaRiverio ngoOctober. Athetha ngepersonal situation yakhe uRiverio. And iseliwe idibene nefamily le plus umjita njengoba elapha eSA ifamily yakhe isengapha eSpain. Laqala uvela aphi uyiba isejonga uRiverio akahlelanga bafethu. Ithi la way ithetha after uRiverio ebigqibo wina iM10 8 final against Stellenbosch. Umayakhe kuse emotions kuseza zamshiya pha ngala dag. After i-final whistle, and then he said, I'm going to emotional Riverio. My son born here, I send us crack and I but say Riverio Kalango, the making an emotions kangak. Then Orlando Pirates, ya phela release a statement. We couldn't use a website ya because a personal situation ka Riverio. Ya fit say I got beef ngaman sithe Riverio. Mara kuse nifuna ukuthi Riverio. Ithi say yathi Orlando Pirates October. The emotional strain was evident after the recent M10 victory against Stellenbosch FC. As the final whistle blew, cameras captured a poignant moment. Riverio crouched down, tears streaming from his eyes. They were not just tears of joy, but also a reflection of the immense personal sacrifice he has made, many of which remain hidden from public view. What many don't know is that for 2 long years, Riverio has been separated from his wife and young daughter, enduring the isolation of distance while shouldering the weight of leading a football giant like Orlando Pirates. The mental toll of working away from family, compounded by the unrelenting demands of top-level coaching, would have broken many. Yet Riverio has persevered, driven by a profound sense of duty to the club and its supporters. Now, with the FIFA break offering a temporary respite, Riverio finally has the chance to reconnect with his family, a long overdue reunion for a man who has given so much of himself for the greater good. Yacho Orlando Pirates October. And he said, Pana, Orlando Pirates not the way iqale ifeature Riverio. Ilawe signs, but okay, bon sinophelela situation eso. ba lento kancane kancane Orlando Pirates ibone iyayiveza kancane kancane yang October lo Rivero yena wabuzwa ngefuture yakhe ngoJanuary. I think Orlando Pirates ezogana nechipa iNetbank last 16 kanye last 16 quarter final ngathi last 16 kanye quarter final. Yabuzwa uRibero Ribero contract yakhe izophela ngo okay mangiqale ngichaze contract situation by Tina Ribero. Contract situation Ribero so wafika ngo-June 2022 wasayina contract I think 3 years and isiphelile yaphela ngo-June phela kwale season. Contract Ribero nalo Pirates yaphela season ngo-June. March noba uyiplayer noba uyicoach xa ekuse uGrand club i-contract yasayinwa before or March. Isayinwa kwasekushiyeke 6 months. Yayi contract isayinwa kwasekushiyeke the last 6 months and then sekusayinwa new contract. Ngoku Orlando Pirates no Ribero March ngoku April May 2 months and then akasayini contract entsha. Ribero wabuzwa ke ngoJanuary ba okay thini indaba yefuture yakhe man akasayini contract. Ribero akafuna uphendula. What I think we have to focus on the next game. This is a press conference about the game against Mamelodi Sundowns. It's not a personal interview to talk about my future or how important whatever is coming is going to be. Whatever is coming is going to be for me. Okay, ngathi kukho ingxaki. Ya le grammar kanye la sentence construction ayikho kren. So ndiphazamile nje before I match cheaper. But apha be match before Sundowns. Happy ke ngoku because it says 2 match participate as the Sundowns. Yo, there last weekend. So yeah, but last weekend abuzwa kusenge feature yakhe umchita and then what I think we have to focus on the next game. This is a press conference about the game against Mamelodi Sundowns. It's not a personal interview to talk about my future or how important whatever is coming is going to be for me. It's about Orlando Pirates. It's about having an important game in 2 days. I'm trying to get ready after 3 tough games in a row since we played in Port Elizabeth, blah 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 blah. Yeah, I say anyway, but ila first paragraph or Ribero baba isijonga ngafuna ukuthenga feature yakhe sikasivayile. The next fact aziphelele facts yapha. Ngoku singena kwelantuza ngoku like a mid-section ale video ngoba okay what's next yeah singena ku what's next ngosiphumile ke facts about okay Pirates yathini video on Pirates yathini October situation ka Mjida personal thini contract situation ka Ribero and then uthini yena ngalo ibaka akatlikiki contract entsha. Ngoku singena ku what's next ngoku bana baninzi bafana nami nabantu abaninzi kuseyabakwazi uinterpret information ekudala balandela bakwazi kusehlanganisa 1 1 u2 no2 sebeqalile uringa ngaba okay kuse man ngubani ke ngozozo because kusengathi ahamba lo muntu lo kujongwa first thing eyenzekayo naphina noma England kanye Spain kanye Germany i-big club noba yesi big club iseqala coach evayayo unoyiqala ijongwe like kuze kwenziwe speculations qale kujongwe ba okay obani quality coaches kanye top coaches is available kwi market is available ngoku like ezingekho attached ezingena contracts ezi free is available qale ujongwe lo top coaches but kuya top coaches ezikho available and ke ngoku speculations zihlangane apho ke ngoku eyoqala the situation and say coach egi high level you're not coach a successful South African football history when a coach successful in Africa una personality futhi no coach team fana Orlando Pirates Pitso Mosimane sayazi kuseyakhona bakusendini phinde ngcola nge-achievements zika Pitso but in case awuyazi Pitso is the only coach South African football eyawina i-league 5 times. Kevin Hunt bana 4, Kevin Hunt una 4, Ted Dumitru una 4, Gordon Nickerson una 4. Bana men libeleyo Won 4 titles. Kevin Hunt, Tetu Mitro, plus no Cory Nickerson. I think those were 3. And then he said that winner 4 league titles is Omek. Upitso ngoye to winner 5. So umchita greatest abc. And then Africa greatest Upitso ngoba isayindoni ngoyedwa i-coach in West say African eyawina Champions League titles ezi-2. Ayikho i-African coach eyawina i-Champions League ezi-2. So Upitso kusay inja amathambo la Grootman. So Upitso available. That's why I say I linked Orlando Pirates. Upitso oko ngena club since ishila team ilawe Estegal yase Iran. Things ezinyanga ngoku free Upitso ngo. So we linked in Orlando Pirates. Ba kusejonga uzohlangana lo kanye kuthini sawubona. Number 2 i-coach say linked in Orlando Pirates ngenxa situation yenzekayo pha club akuyo umeka ayiko free umeka available ne contract and uspana P eMorocco ngithetha ngoba njengorulani Mokoena useMorocco first league yakhe pa first season yakhe pa number 3 but say if ends with that ziyamcapukisa urulani urulani i-pressure pa plus I think nendlela ethethwa ngayo umjita uthi bayisejonga engathi aka understand okanye seyaka respectwa i-pressure i-unreasonable okanye unreasonable pressure kuyo futhi umjita uthi uyazinikezela kangaka kule team and manje seyi-pressure ayitholayo ne-bullshit namasimba amjita awameleyo pha akawunyamezeli ulawe urulani sendlela ethetha ngayo futhi umeke yothusa futhi baseyajonga urulani ufuna ufutheka apho kanye sekana udikiwe ngo so le team number 3 and then kuse iyoba ne-draws ezi-3 zilandelana urulani then kuse lo iMorocco kanye kula club ayamkelo lo win then kuse jonga kuna story siphumule ngoku 30 minutes ago qophuma story ngoku about kusele team in emergency meeting no Mokoena team yaseMorocco before sijonga le report le age qophuma ngoku masibona base bekutheni uyewathini uMokoena kuze kusenkuyoba khona le meeting ngoku i-agent. So after 3 draws urulani kusemjita ayibi permanent pressure. Iwathi kusereveal after that game, I will never abandon my style of play. So phana ku question my style sakhe umjita. So uthi kuse uMokoena, I will never abandon my style of play. I'm sorry, I've worked very hard as a coach to build and to study and to research what works. It's worked for me in the past. I'm sure it will work here. It needs a little bit of time, but I must tell you that I am in a position where I love the club so much, and I can tell you guys, if I'm the problem for Wydad, believe me, I will be the first one to ask for permission to go back to South Africa. Whoa. Boom, boom, boom. Zithongo ezo. If I'm the problem, I give the president and the board full responsibility to relieve me from my duties if I am the problem, and I don't want to hold Wydad back if Wydad feels that they can do better with me without me. Let's not question the style of play rather. I mean, you can see how many chances. Okay, yeah, bafethu, and then he say boy coach kethetha ngelo hlobo akidikiwe jo and situation intense and he said Mokoena engathi bona uzokufa phela evaya pha because bona ngothethe lo way in the public lo way senza kube tension yanyani nansi ke ngokuse I latest report ephuma ngoku from ngathi Morocco ngoku 30 minutes ago Kura website Kura. According to Kura, Wydad's bosses have become concerned with the club's recent form, and President Hicham Eid Mina is poised to hold an urgent meeting with the former Mamelodi Sundowns Orlando Pirates coach to discuss the reasons for the recent downturn in the results. The same report claims that should he fail to get Wydad to the Champions League, he will be dismissed at the end of the season and would not have the opportunity to coach at the FIFA Club World Cup in the United States of America later this year. So yeah, it's anyway. Latest report it by say okay, kuzoba khona agent meeting between Ribeiro and the club, and how much that demand by say Ribeiro abe number 2 because it's highly league race most last weekend he win a league ilawe Berkane as Morocco, and then kushake 5 games with that ne-Rabat zilwela number 2 for qualify for Champions League. So ngoku ngule report yachaza ukuthi kuse imandate bayise if umjita akazi ufinisha number 2 for Champions League bazomchitha. So resign or out before lo way, but yakuse niyava ke ngoba feedback sekutheni uMokoena angabuyela kwiPirates because ishubile ziyabila pha eMorocco. Final coach linked noLorlando Pirates bengekho ithethwayo apha vele sambona FNB last weekend ngubani sebukele noLorlando Pirates neSundowns apha iskipana apha ubani yabuya noLorlando Pirates thina ngubani thina ngoFadlu Davids oko wahamba ke noLorlando Pirates uMac success ayitholeyo intswimpu eAfrika bonise iquality yakhe nepedigree yakhe as a coach. Uqala be assistant coach eMorocco kuseya ayo league amaqatha abafiti kuseya kanyiwa phela league uyoba champion by assistant coach before my Orlando Pirates coach manje tsotsi Joseph liyase Germany Lamek be assistant yayo bawini league neRaja Casablanca. And then Fadlu wavaya wayiTanzania kusewa coach iGiants Giants eRaja futhi zaseMorocco. So umjita kusewa coach ibig club nenyani bawini league pha eMorocco. And then sewabuya eAfrica Tanzania uMac coach iGiants apha iSimba. First season yakhe buza ba ophi ngoku. Number 2 kuse ubambene neLawe kuse phansi phezulu uye neLawe neYoung Africans eTanzania. 1 point difference, check 8 games. 57 Simba, 57 points, and then number 2, and then they say Young Africans 58, number 1. So Fadlu uzibonakalisile pha bayithuna lewe. Then social attacking football nyanyani. In 22 games, lose imatch 1. And then score goals phambene kuse team yakhe score 52 goals in 22 games jo. 52 goals in 22 games, and then consider 8 goals cha. So asinothu ngoba isejongo uFadlu angabuyela eBuccaneer. Ayiphelelanga apho uFadlu uya quarter finals the CAF Confederation Cup. Uyadlala next after international break. Quarter finals the CAF Confederation Cup. Lo way iyabika lo way inkulu lo way. So base umjita uziprove naseAfrika bakhejonga mhlawumbe ngatyhuna liwe Orlando Pirates iyayithanda ibe njalo ibalekile Orlando Pirates lo way. So uzodlala neAl Masry nge2 April quarter final CAF Confederation Cup itim kaFadlu. Conclusion ke ngobafethu ndithini mna ndithi bayikuse Jose Riveiro yava Orlando Pirates awunothi wenja like ivideo enjeyana asingobantwana bafithi yahamba neMac unless loba kwi dramatic turn otherwise sayahamba neMac. Orlando Pirates I release ivideo enjeyana in public. Ndithethe ngela hlobo assistant coach ne captain ba and kusheke 2 months ngoRiveiro ka sign contract entsha yava leMac ngitsho mna. Nithini nabafethu basincola lapha i-comments bayikusejonga skiphani and ubani kuse ongatake over a coach Orlando Pirates. Umna kwezi options ka Rulani noMosimane noDavid 03 excel coaches success quality coaches is but mina nithi uRulani Mokoena ngoba kutheni uRulani unala emotional connection on the Pirates and say emotional connection ayowe kusengokwazi uyithenga jo like uMac wayithanda Pirates inhlizweni yakhe and kusejonga uzoba ne point to prove ngoba kusentoni iSundowns indlela yamchitha ngayo ayikho grand so kuseba ne motivation uRulani. Orlando Pirates uzawuthola umuntu kuse une point to prove onise une emotional motivation zakwenzela ispan so ingaba spectacular enyane se return ka Orlando Pirates nditsho mna nithini nabafethu uyavaya uRiveiro enisengubani efuneka azwakele Orlando Pirates masicela by comments ngalibala ushaya support bafethu ushaye i-support iLawe channel njengo like apha ezantsi okanye ifa qala udibana channel ushaye subscribe moja bafethu kanyiwa.